Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another try on. And for today's video, we'll be trying on this new pair of shoes na regalo sa akin ng aking asawa, Shox TL. Alright, so let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
Alright guys, so we have our Shox TL. Ayan, so front like this, side, back, side, and front. What do you think, guys? Alright, so yeah, that was all guys. This is our try-on of our new shoes from my husband. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Let me show you the shoes now.